Mansfield Landscaping is a full-service landscape design and installation company serving Central Florida, including all of Lake, Marion, Orange, Osceola, Seminole, and Sumter counties. We specialize in residential landscape design, sales, and installations for new and existing homes. However, we are not a lawn maintenance company. Our landscape jobs start at $3,500 and up, but we also have options for the do-it-yourself landscaper who is looking to purchase just trees and plants, along with convenient delivery options for them. If you're ready to start creating your beautiful landscape, we encourage you to check out our extensive online photo gallery, where you can see pictures of our past work for inspiration. You can also use our interactive local tour map, where you can locate nearby homes with landscape projects installed by Mansfield Landscaping to stop by and view at your leisure. And don't forget to check out all of our customer reviews on Google, Facebook, Yelp, and Talk of the Villages to see what others have to say about their excellent experiences with us. Mansfield Landscaping has several convenient ways to assist you in bringing your landscape dreams to reality. First, we offer free, same-day estimates 7 days per week, and we bring the outdoor showroom to you. We can come to your home with actual stacked wall, rock, and mulch samples, as well as our curbing chart. We bring tablets with the same photo galleries found on this website, as well as our printed photo books with all of our landscaping options. Before coming out to your home, we would be happy to discuss your landscaping options by phone, allowing us to draft a completely free preliminary landscape design plan for you when we come to your home for the estimate. Please note, we do require a $3,500 job minimum for all landscape installation projects. We encourage you to take some time and visit our one-of-a-kind landscape nursery and hardscape showroom for even more ideas. Just set an appointment with us, bring in pictures of the area you need to have landscaped, and we can give you a ballpark estimate right there in our showroom. You can see and tag all of your favorite choices of palms, trees, plants, stacked wall, curbing, water features, pavers, patios, fire pits, and even a putting green. You can also email us photos of your landscape and lawn areas and a brief description of what you're looking to have done. We can call you back and provide you with a ballpark estimate right over the phone. You must include your phone number and property address in your email to us if you'd like a ballpark estimate by phone. We apologize, however, we do not provide initial estimates by email. Is your budget perhaps not over $3,500 and instead you are just looking to do some small do-it-yourself landscaping? We can help with that too. We welcome you to visit our nursery to purchase individual plants as well as take them home with you, or for a small fee, we can deliver them to your home. Are you needing just 1 or 2 trees planted? We got you covered there as well. Come into our nursery and tag the trees you would like, and we will deliver and install them, usually within 3 to 7 days. There's no job minimum for tree purchases and installations. Give us a call today for an estimate, 7 days a week. All messages are typically returned within 1 hour. We look forward to helping you make a beautiful landscape.